Greetings, gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonders of gardening. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you all. Have you ever considered planting your crops in autumn? If not, you're in for a treat because today we're going to explore why autumn might just be the perfect time to get those seeds in the ground. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what exactly autumn brings to the table when it comes to planting crops. First off, the weather. Autumn offers up some of the most perfect conditions for growing a variety of crops. The scorching heat of summer starts to fade away, making way for cooler temperatures that are just right for many plants to thrive. Plus, with the occasional rainfall, you've got yourself a recipe for success. Another great thing about autumn planting is that the soil is still warm from the summer months, but it's not baking hot like it is in midsummer. This means that seeds have the perfect environment to germinate and establish strong root systems before winter sets in. And trust me, a strong root system is the key to a healthy and productive crop. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. But isn't autumn the time when everything starts to die off? Well, not exactly. While some plants may be winding down for the season, there are plenty of crops that actually prefer the cooler temperatures of autumn. Think hardy greens like kale and spinach, or root vegetables like carrots and radishes. These guys thrive in the crisp autumn air, making it the perfect time to get them in the ground. And let's not forget about the pests. By planting in autumn, you're actually giving yourself a leg up on those pesky insects that love to munch on your plants. Many garden pests start to die off or go into hibernation as the temperatures drop, meaning less damage to your precious crops. But perhaps the biggest reason why autumn planting is such a game changer is the harvest itself. By getting your crops in the ground early, you're giving them a head start on growth, which means you'll be able to enjoy a bountiful harvest before the frost sets in. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of harvesting your own homegrown veggies. Am I right? So there you have it, folks. Planting your crops in autumn is not only a smart move for your garden, but it's also incredibly rewarding. From the perfect weather conditions to the abundance of delicious harvests, there's no denying that autumn is the season for planting. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start planting those seeds. Your future self will thank you for it. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy planting!